Hi, welcome to this video which introduces you to PSI's online interactive data rights tool. It has been developed as part of PSI's Our Digital Future project with generous support from the Friedrich Ebert Stiftung. If you feel it is difficult to apply your data protection rights at work, this is a tool for you. It is mainly aimed at policy and legal staff as well as shop stewards who wish to learn about the data rights they have and then use these to map and dissect the digital technologies at work, and on this basis formulate bargaining or policy responses. You can find the tool on the link shown. Warning though, it will take time to complete. Currently, the data rights tool has been tailor-made to workers in the GDPR zone and is more generic for the rest of the world. This does not mean that it's not relevant for all of you. Workers' digital rights are currently poorly defined in most countries in the world, and negotiating stronger protections is essential. Like our Data Lifecycle at Work guide, you can find lots of inspiration here that will help you fill legal gaps and negotiate for stronger rights. Let's look at how it works. When you open the data rights tool, the first thing to do is choose your language in the top left, here circled in blue. You can choose between English, Spanish or French. On the left of the screen you will find the menu. As you go through the tool, the menu points turn red, allowing you to jump back to sections that you have covered previously. The menu remains black until you have reached that section. This is to make sure you don't skip some important parts. You will notice the tool is divided into four main parts. Part 1 is all about getting to know what tools and systems are being used by your employers, including setting clear limits for especially invasive systems. Part 2 is about mapping the data sources and setting clear limits for what data management can extract and from where. Part 3 is about mapping automated decision-making and profiling inferences and setting clear limits for what analysis and profiling is acceptable to the workers. Part 4 is concerned with determining whether third parties have access to workers' data and setting clear limits for what they can do with that data. Your legal rights will be brought to you in a step-by-step way as you go through the guide. You will be asked a bunch of questions as you move forward. On this slide, the question is shown at the top. All answers throughout the guide are always in red. In this case here, you can reply yes or no. Throughout the tool, the black boxes contain references to your legal rights and the precise article in your data protection law that you need to know or trigger at this stage in your mapping. Please don't skip these information boxes, they are really important. At some point as you proceed, you'll be asked to open a spreadsheet. Do this and immediately save a copy with, for example, the name Data Rights Tool and the date. The spreadsheet consists of a number of tabs. You will be told what to do when as you proceed through the Data Rights Tool. We have created a separate video that explains how to use this spreadsheet. It is important for you to remember that you cannot save your progress. The tool remembers how far you have got as long as you do not delete your cookies. If you keep your cookies and return to the tool another day, you will receive this message. If you want to continue from where you left off, click OK. If you want to start all over again, click Cancel. So this was a basic introduction to the tool. Remember, answer options are in red and information boxes in black. As always, if you need help or have feedback to share, do contact PSI staff.